Links effects, come on. You didn't hear me, did you? Nah, use roll-on. Use that. Or spray. Shh. But either way, A, B, C, D. Alphabet thing. The ting goes grrrr. Ah. Pa, pa, ta, 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 ta. Skitty keep. Pa, pa, pa. And the pop, pop, grrrr. Boom, boom, boom. Skia. Ah. Do, 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 do.
Good morning, T-Wolves. I'm Lucas.
And I'm McKenna.
And this is T-Wolf TV for Monday, February 5th. Please join us in standing for the national anthem and reciting the Pledge of Allegiance.
Happy birthday to you. If your birthday is February 4th through 10th, come to the main office and get your birthday sucker from PAC.
Congrats to the Philadelphia Eagles, who beat the New England Patriots in the Super Bowl last night of a score of 41-33. The game racked up over 1,100 total offensive yards, which is a new Super Bowl record. The halftime performance by Justin Timberlake featured a really cool special video tribute to the musician Prince. THS PTSA presents Battle of the Bands Monday, February 12th at 7 o'clock p.m. in the THS Auditorium. Come support student bands and enjoy a night of fun with Dalton Johnson, Studio C cast member, as MC, and Shay Hunsaker Robbins, THS alum, judging and performing. $3 pre-sale, $5 at the door. $12 pre-sale, immediately family pass. $20 at the door, immediate family pass. Dippin' Dots will be available for refreshments. It will be a wonderful night of THS spirit and talent.
Do you love to watch CSI programs on TV? Are you interested in crime scenes, DNA sequencing, and solving mysteries? THS has a course for you. It's called Biotechnology. Here's Mr. Heward with the class info.
Hi, T-Wolves. This is Mr. Heward speaking, and I'm here at our 2018 crime scene here at Timpanogos High School. This is set up for the biotechnology class, and they're going to be doing a little unit on forensics and trying to analyze the crime scene. In particular, they're going to look for DNA evidence at the crime scene. And so if you're interested in taking biotechnology, it will be taught next year, A3 and A4. It's a great class. It counts for CTE credit. It also is a concurrent enrollment class, or you could use it as an applied science credit here at Timpanogos. So.
For more information on the biotechnology class, see Mr. Heward in room 222. Back after this commercial for Super Smash Brothers Club produced by Ben Broadbent. Don't forget that this afternoon at 1:45 p.m. arena scheduling will be turned on and you'll be able to register for next school year. For T-Wolf TV, I'm McKenna.
And I'm Lucas.
And remember, T-Wolves, we love you all.
I'm on my